everyone, welcome back to English class with Teacher Shahira. Okay, for today we're going to do some exercise in the Supermind Workbook Year 1 page 35. Hari ini kita akan lakukan sedikit latihan di dalam buku kerja Supermind tahun 1 muka surat 35. So, I need you to turn to page 35, this page, and as you can see, there are 2 questions and we will do it together. Alright, so look at the first question. Read the instruction. Look and tick the box. Lihat dan tandakan right di kotak. As you can see, there is a picture here. Ada sebuah gambar di sini. And there are 5 sentences. So, we need to read each sentence and tick the box if it is correct. So, kita kena baca setiap ayat dan tandakan right di dalam kotak sekiranya ayat itu betul berdasarkan gambar. Dan jika ayat itu salah, kita kena tandakan pangkah di dalam kotak no. No maksudnya tidak, yes maksudnya ya. Okay, first, let's label the animals. Okay, the first animal. What is this animal? Yes, it is a spider, laba-laba. Next, what is this? Correct, it is a frog, katak. What is this? Yes, it is a cat, kucing. How about this? Fantastic. It is a duck, itik. And the last one is, it has a big ears. Correct. It is a elephant. Alright, so we already know the animal's name. So we're going to answer the question. The first question, the answer has already given to you. The elephant is under the car. Under bermaksud di bawah. The elephant is under the car. Maksudnya gajah di bawah kereta. So, betul. Jadi, right. We look at the second sentence. Look at the word underline. Tengok yang perkataan yang bergaris di sini. On. On maksudnya di atas. The cat is on the car. The cat. Cat ialah kucing. Is on the car. Jadi maksudnya kucing itu di atas kereta. So, look at the picture. Betul ke kucing di atas kereta? Salah. Kucing bukan di atas kereta. So, the answer is yes or no? Yes. Correct. The answer is no. Alright. Look at the third question. In. In bermaksud di dalam. The frog is in the car. Katak itu di dalam kereta. Betul ke katak di dalam kereta? No. So, the answer is no. Alright. Number 4. The spider is on the car. Look at the words underline. Tengok perkataan yang bergaris ini. On. On maksudnya di atas. The spider. Spider maksudnya laba-laba. Laba-laba di atas kereta. Betul ke laba-laba di atas kereta? Yes. Laba-laba di atas kereta. And the last one. In. In maksudnya di dalam. The duck is in the car. Duck ialah itik. Itik itu di dalam kereta. Betul ke itik di dalam kereta? Ya, tengok gambar. Ya, itik di dalam kereta. So, the answer is yes. Next. Read and draw. Maksudnya, baca dan lukis. So, we have to read 4 sentences here and we have to draw according to the sentences. Kita kena baca ayat ini dan kita kena lukis. The first question, the answer has already given to you. Untuk soalan nombor 1, jawapan telah diberikan. Okay, draw a rat in the plane. Draw maksudnya lukis. Lukis rat. Rat maksudnya apa? Kita dah belajar. Yes, rat ialah tikus. Lukis tikus in. In maksudnya di dalam. Plane. I hope you still remember. Yes, plane is kapal terbang. Jadi, lukis tikus di dalam kapal terbang. So, kita lukis tikus di dalam kapal terbang. Okay. Second sentence. Draw a dog under the plane. Draw, lukis, dog. Where is the dog? Dog ialah anjing. Under, di bawah. The plane. Plane ialah kapal terbang. Jadi maksud ayat ini, lukis seekor anjing di bawah kapal terbang. So, we draw a dog under the plane. Okay, next. Draw, number 3, draw a lizard on the plane. Lukis seekor cicak di atas plane. Di atas kapal terbang. Lizard ialah cicak. On maksudnya di atas. Jadi, lukis seekor cicak di atas kapal terbang. So, here we go. A lizard on the plane. The last one, draw a spider under the plane. Lukis, spider ialah laba-laba. Under, di bawah, the plane. Jadi, lukis seekor spider apa? Spider laba-laba. Lukis seekor laba-laba under, di bawah kapal terbang. Lukis seekor laba-laba di bawah kapal terbang. Okay, I think that's all for today. Please complete your work and send it to me for me to check. Till next time. Bye.